Hey, I'm Sloppy. This is just going to be a real quick one on how to get most Linux apps to work through your Steam launcher. I'm going to be using Spotify for this example, or Discord. Either way, you're going to want to go into desktop mode, which takes just a few seconds. So you're going to go ahead and open your Discover icon down in the Quick Start, and then press Steam X to open up your keyboard and search for Spotify. I don't know why it doesn't recognize half of the keystrokes, but sometimes it does that. There you go. And you can see right here, I already have Spotify installed, but what you'll do is you'll click the install button next to it. Then you can go ahead and close this and open up Steam while still in desktop mode, and then add a game, add non-Steam game, scroll down to what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for Spotify, which again I've already done. It'll be in that list, and what that will do is add it to your non-Steam games installed locally if you have that set up, and then Spotify right there. Let's go back to return to gaming mode and test it out. Alright, now that we're back in big picture mode, you can see I already have it installed, but I will show you anyway. Go down to non-Steam. There you'll have your non-Steam games like Discord, Chrome, and now Spotify. Fire it up. I did nothing for the compatibility, just whatever it automatically selected, and it worked no problem. And now you're going to have to adjust your controls if you want to use the mouse by going over to Steam, hit to the right again, and go to controller settings. I just set mine up for mouse so that I can use this to quick play. And that's all it takes. Stop before I get freaking... Alright, and that's a good example of how you get a video taken down for copyright. I mean, that's how you show how to get Spotify working on your big screen mode in Steam Deck.